I have interviewed thousands and thousands of business people, men and women, professionals, business owners, and employees over the last 30 years. That's what my job is. And in there I have found that almost every single one of them wants it all. They want all the power, prestige, popularity, position, and promotion that they can get. And I think those are good things. I want all those P words too. I love each and every one of those P words. There's a challenge though, because there's a disconnect in our activity and our action, our results. We want it all, but sometimes we're not willing to give it all or do our professions, our jobs, and our work with all of our heart because we feel that it's not what we like to do. I'm not doing what I want to do. I'm not doing my passion, or because I don't like the company I'm working for, the boss that I'm working for, or I don't believe they're paying me enough. I think they're taking advantage of me. And then we start to rationalize and making excuses why we're not doing what we should be doing, or at least doing it with the zeal, passion, and intensity that we should be doing it. Or we say things like, I just don't like doing it, so therefore I'm going to do just enough to get by. And then we wonder why we don't have it all. When we don't have all of those P words that we really want. And yes, we do deserve them, but only if we're willing to put in the kind of action and intensity in each and every area, even if we don't like it. One of my favorite scriptures is Colossians 3:23. In the NIV, I'll paraphrase it. It says, whatever you do it with all of your heart, as you're doing it to God and not to men. And notice it doesn't say, whatever you do that you like to do it with all your heart. And that's where our disconnect is. We feel if we don't like it, if it's part of our job or our work, or if we don't like the person, well, therefore we don't have to give it all because we don't like that person, or we don't think they're being honest, or we don't think they're treating us right, so therefore we're going to treat them back in return. No, we're supposed to do everything we do. Whatever you put your hand to do today, do it with all of your heart. All of your heart. If you want all, then you must give all in each and every area, even the areas that you don't like. If you're willing to do this, watch what starts to happen in you and around you to the people around you. And watch what starts to happen to those P words that you really want in each area of your life, spiritually, relationally, emotionally, financially, and physically. Watch those 5 pillars start to change as you're willing to give it all of your heart in each one of those areas. But especially today, I'm talking about our financial area, our jobs, because that's where there's such a huge connect, where 70% of us don't like doing what we're doing, and we're losing $550 billion a year in lost productivity. And it's because we're not willing to give it all, because we're making the excuse that I don't like it, I don't think they deserve it, who I'm working for. And therefore we give just enough to keep our jobs. And that's why we're disgruntled, frustrated, discontent, because we're not giving it all, and then we're not receiving it all. If you want all today, then be willing to give it all, give all of your heart to whatever you put your hand to do, and watch what starts to happen in you and around you. My name is Ed Carcari. I'd love to connect with you at edcarcari.com. Find your passion, you'll find your life.